what is the meaning of cost? Cost, when we say word, that is, we generally say cost consists of DM, direct material, direct labor and overheads. Accumulation system means how we accumulate, means how we gather the cost, because generally in practical aspect, if you are manufacturing, you are buying a certain raw material, you are using it for certain purposes. Like Nestle is buying milk and they are using it for chocolate, cookies and other stuff, skim milk, dry milk, this and that. So it's really sometimes become difficult to accumulate cost, because you have a common cost, you have split off cost. This is what we will discuss today, that how important it is to accumulate cost. There are some traditional method called job order costing. How it works, I will explain. Process costing. Process costing is based on certain industries. What are those? I will explain. Activity based costing is latest, and life cycle costing is the concept that we'll discuss in the last. Let's start our discussion. I will there are generally we cannot gauge one method for costing for all the products in the world, because products are different nature. For example, when we extract oil, every unit is similar to the last unit, right? So it's very easy, like in a day, if I pull out 100,000 gallons and it give me a cost, I can divide, I can get per liter cost very easily, per gallon cost. But if I'm a tailor, for example, we have a tailoring shop, one customer is different from another customer, so I cannot do full day divided by this. So it's depend upon the nature of the product, that what is the nature, so we choose an appropriate method for that. So in our book we have two kind of methods, which is I am going to explain. The first is process costing. As the name shows, that the product is process in nature. For example, a company produces many units of a single product. One unit of product is impossible to differentiate from other unit of product. For example, if we go to a petrol station and we take the same fuel as you took, so we cannot say my fuel is different, your fuel is different. It's the same fuel which is in the car. We cannot even identify because it is similar, like we cannot differentiate. If this is the case, so the identical nature of each unit of product enable assigning the same average cost per unit, because there is no difference between the products, they are same features. So what is the cost of 1 liter? It is another cost of another liter, right? This is very easily associated. Moving forward, examples are paper manufacturing, Coca-Cola mixing. They are mixing bottles, Pepsi and other things, and it is similar to the next one for a specific class. Like if it is a Pepsi with lemon, Pepsi Diet, all diet will be similar to each other. This is the example. Opposite, we have job order costing. What is job order costing? You went to a restaurant, and this is a restaurant who take order from customers. For example, you are a little bit weight conscious like me, if you are getting double of your size, so you are conscious. So you will go and say, look, remove, this, don't cook in oil, use olive oil or something like this. You will say, no cheese, please remove the cheese and put this, that. This way you are giving an order. Okay, for example, another customer comes, he give another order, he says put double cheese inside, right? Because he is cheese lover or something. So costing, we can assume that the material increase, here material decrease. So they cannot say that this is the cost of, we have equal cost. He is eating double of the cheese, paying same amount. I'm eating less, even no cheese, paying the same amount. This is not fair, right? So because his cost, restaurant cost is the same, material, labor and overheads. If I'm consuming less material, I should have a less cost. If someone is consuming more material, there should be a more cost. So in that particular scenario, for every job, you need to maintain a job order sheet. That will take your material, labor and overhead. In process costing, it is not required because every order is similar to the next order. So if you have one sheet, that is enough for the rest of the productions. So this is what he says, different products are produced each period. For example, you are Levi's, you are Nike, you are other brands. You are making t-shirts now, first for the footballers, next order is for the tennis players, next order is another players, sometime male, female, teenage, old ages, sizes, clothes, designing, coloring, everything gets different, right? So for that you have to use job order costing. Products are manufactured to order, so generally you get your order first and then you will start your manufacturing process. Means I will go in a restaurant, the manager will come to take my order. Once they are clear about my order, then they will send the command to the kitchen and the chef will start making this all. Unique nature of each order requires tracing or allocating cost to each job. So we need to keep a job sheet for job A, job B, job C, job D, in a day. And every job might have different material, different labor and different overheads and different per unit cost. Examples are Boeing plane for United Airlines is different, Etihad Airways different, Emirates Airline different. Some planes like A380, you will say it will be a big one, it will give you less weave in the air, it will be more comfortable. If you sit in 777, it will be little congested, it will give you a little more uncomfortable ride most of the time. So you can see every Boeing is different. Construction company, they will make different towers. If all the world has one shape of tower, this world will become very boring, and so every building is different. They have different curves and shape. When you have different shapes and curve, you have different pricings also. And Walt Disney Studio, they make movies. If every movie is similar to the next movie, then what is new? So we want to watch new movies, new way of action, new way of romance and new way of thrill, new way of killing people, new way of new stories, right? If everything is similar, it cannot work this way, right? So this is what is Walt Disney Studio making productions for. Now in pictorial form, when you have order, you have a job. Like job means an order of work that you receive. You have to arrange material, labor, and there will be some overheads. Here the word is used, manufacturing overhead applied to each job using a predetermined rate. What is predetermined rate? Predetermined is that is well before the actual expenses incurred, we assume predetermined, like before, someone is going to fight, someone is coming to meet me, I am pre-assuming that we will have a fight, right? So this is pre is well before, so predetermined is my overheads will incur later, but I am assuming that how much max it can be. This is really important concept, because if we have a tailoring shop, a customer comes to us, we say, okay, material, I know how much my labor is going to charge, but I don't know that how much is my electricity bill, because I will consume now, after 1 month I will get my bill. All postpaids, expenses, we will get it after 1 month. It may be more, it may be less, but because we are doing business since years, we know what is the average estimated price that we will give it to the cost as a predetermined overhead rate. In next discussion, we'll